Next up, outsourcing for Crown. In this we need to extract the Building 21 intel from the black locked room, as well as the intel from the red locked room, and finally the intel from the blue locked room. We need to get into these 3 locked rooms in Building 21 in one run and extract. This is best to do with friends. If you don't have anyone in game, well, this is going to be difficult. So, suiting up for outsourcing for Crown, we need to take in the black, red, and blue cards. You can also find them there, but it's not good to rely on finding them. Take them in with you. So, blue, black, and red. The red card is on the middle floor to the, I think that's south. Yep, south. And on the bottom floor, you'll find the blue and black cards on the north and south sides on the far east. On top of this, you'll want to take in some close range weapons and some good armor. I have none of which, so I guess we'll just try it as is. Hopefully things work. All right, on this bottom floor here, I need to go to 2 doors real quick. Southeast is that far side. East is this one. In here. Is this the generator room? Green access. It's outside. Is it in here? Where's this map taking me? Oh, there we go. Blue door. Bonk. Oh, yeah, some loot in here. I need to grab this Building 21 intel on the desk. That is number 1. Black is on the northeast. Outside here, to the right, in here, left, black. There we go. Oh, there's a red key card in here. And this intel I need. Bonks. Now to the 2nd floor, southwest. 2nd floor, southwest. Now here's the red door I need to use. Into the red door, bonks. There's a Laka sniper in here. Self-revive. There's the other intel that I need. Is ammo case. 1, 2, 3 intels. There we go. Grabbing all 3 of our intels here from the black, red, and blue rooms. All we need to do is extract with these in our inventory, and that should be the mission done. Going through those rooms, you should find key cards to the other rooms. So with one of them, you may be lucky enough to do all of them in just one go. And of course, you could find more keys on other players in other rooms, etc. You don't necessarily need them coming in here, but it's best to have them. Anyways, with an extract, this mission should be done. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.